Hi everybody, my name is Mercedes, and this is what I have chosen to map. It is the number of apiaries and meaderies per each Wisconsin county as of 2020. This was very interesting to me because I'm a big fan of bees. Mead is an alcoholic drink created by honey, and an apiary is anywhere where bees are kept. So I wanted to track the relationship per each county and see if they had anything to do with each other. So I only tracked the apiaries that sold honey because in order to sell honey, most of the time you have to be registered to some kind of organization that shows that you sell honey in order to get a license and things like that. So that's what I did. I researched from about 10 different websites to make sure that I had accurate information. So I cross-referenced each apiary and meadery from different websites to make sure that I got the same results. And it might look kind of low, the number of apiaries might look kind of low, but once again, that's just because I used the number of registered apiaries that sold honey using a license. Your neighbor might be a beekeeper and sell honey, but that doesn't mean he's registered with the Wisconsin Beekeepers Organization, which is what I used. So the US has around 8,700 wineries, around 7,450 breweries, but only 400 meaderies total. And we just so happen to have about 12 of them in the state of Wisconsin. And I represented each meadery with a black dot to show where it's located in the county, so that you were able to see it versus the number of apiaries that were represented by colors. And obviously the number of apiaries per county is represented by colors going from white to like a darker red color, which shows that that county has over 7 different apiaries that were registered. And what we can see is that the number of meaderies is kind of dependent on the number of apiaries per that county, but we do have some outliers such as Marathon County here, where there's no registered apiaries in the county, but it is surrounded by counties with registered apiaries. And we see down here is Dane County, where our capital is. There are 2 meaderies down there that are actually pretty popular, and that area contains the most apiaries as well, probably due to the population. I felt like this was an important topic to represent on a map just because we are losing bee population dramatically due to climate change, loss of habitat, pesticide usage, and so much more. So hopefully this infographic is able to, I guess, bring awareness to the issue. I did all of my own research and I made the map all on my own. I didn't really use any databases on ArcMap. I had to just take the county section off of a database in ArcMap, and I just transferred it into an Adobe Illustrator file, and then I colored in each county individually. I searched for each meadery individually. Like I said before, I cross-referenced each apiary. So it did take a little bit more time, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it too.